Hey guys, it's JJ Slimes, and today we are going to be opening up a slime package. I'm at school, so I'll see when I get home. Okay guys, so I'm at home, and this is the box. I didn't open it yet. It's from my best friend, I guess. Her name's Jackie, and her thing is Jackie Slimes, her YouTube thingy. So this is a J for my name and a J for her name. Oh my god, this is actually really hard. She tapes it like crazy. Jackie, if you're watching it, let's tape. It's gonna be hard to open anyways. It just says on top, from Jackie Slimes to JJ Slimes. Okay, so I guess we have like kind of sort of the same name, I guess. And this is me trying to like open it right now, and I guess it's now working. So speaking of the right time. Okay, I'm not even opening it. I'm just gonna show you inside. Yes. So okay, so there's a letter in here. Okay. Great, now I have to take this tape off. Less tape, Jackie. Less tape. Hi Jocelyn, it's Jackie. You ordered fluffy slime, clear slime, foam bead slime, and others. Okay. So, let's see. That's the top. And they're tape too. I don't know what this one is. This looks like a foam bead one, I guess. How much tape does she use? It's taking for it's okay. Whoa. It's pretty good. I like this. This is actually pretty good. Okay. So, ooh, glitter slime. This looks a little what the heck is in here? Wait, my bed. I don't know what's in here. Hope you enjoy. Oh, okay. Thank you if you're watching. Okay. Anyways, this looks kind of, not slimified yet. It looks kind of sticky, but I guess we'll find out. Oh, it's actually not. Wow, it's actually pretty good. I need to find a container for this quickly, but this is actually really good. Do you guys see how sparkly this is? I see it. This one is like the best looking out of all of them. Yeah, this is definitely the best looking, I would have to say, if I was like saying that. It feels like a regular, slime, so. Okay, let me go find the container for this one. Okay, so I found a container for this one. It's just one of my old ones. Oh, yeah, I still have two more. So, fluffy slime. Is that? No, that's outside. It's like, is that inside the slime? I was like, But I can't get this off. Tape is sticky. Look at this. It's tape. Invest in not sticky tape. I mean, I've been to her house 1,000 times and I never saw any of these before, so I guess she just made them like last night or something. Well, I haven't been over this week, so maybe Sunday or something. This is cool. I really like this one. This one has like the best texture so far. How much shaving cream did she use? Because usually my fluffy slimes don't turn out as good as this. So maybe I need to use like more or less shaving cream. I don't know. So, I get this box out of the way because that's it. Those are just, you know, the box that one of them came in, so. Okay. Milk slime. Oh, I don't know. This must be like an extra or something. This looks good. Ooh! Oh no, I changed my answer. This is the best texture. Oh my god, yes! Finally! Because the one slime I had that was a milk slime, she put yellow slime in it. Because, my other friend Hannah, she had yellow slime and we kind of ruined her slime. So, yeah. She got me back on a perfectly good white slime. So I guess this is probably why she got me this. Or made me this. Or whatever. This is actually, this is the best one. Yes. This is like, ooh, it smells like fruit. It smells like fruit. White fruit, if that's a thing. I'll change the angle so you could see this. So, yes, this is like the best one in here, I'd have to say, Jackie. This is my favorite. And the best smelling, too. So, I guess I have to put this one back. It is just a little bit sticky, but you can't have a lot of stretchy slime if it's not a little bit sticky. So, I like this one. This one's good. Alright, gotta stop playing with this one. And say thank you, Jackie, for, you know, giving me those slimes. And her account, again, is Jackie Slime, so. Yep. And, yeah. And this is, like, the thingy I opened. And, yeah, it just says, I don't know if you can, it's, hope you enjoy. And it says, Lee's happy best friend day. Oh, that's why she, oh, okay. I know it's one day she would have told me. I was like, okay. Anyways, so yes, I got these 4 perfectly good slimes. So if you want to go check out her channel, Jackie Slimes again, I will repeat this. You will, and if you subscribe to her account, I'll give a couple slimes away to people. The first 3 people that subscribe. So, yeah. Go do that, and I'll see you in the next video.